Toyota, bringing you a little tutorial video here on how to connect your phone via Bluetooth, featuring Toyota's new multimedia system that will be standard on most 2023 models. Okay, so once the vehicle is on, you're going to go to one of these two buttons here. You can either click this phone icon over on the left here. That's going to say connect a device. You can go through there, or alternatively you can click the settings icon here, go down to Bluetooth and devices there, and then we can click add another device, or if you don't have any devices paired, it will just say connect a device. Once we click add a device, there's going to be a screen here that says search for devices, and it's going to say here search for Toyota Tundra in your device's Bluetooth settings. So you want to open up your phone's Bluetooth settings, look for the one that says Toyota Tundra, and then everything should pop up through here as well. You'll see that your device will come up on the list here for all the available devices that are being able to connect via Bluetooth. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.